Hey everybody, have you ever thought about doing a craft fair? Well, we're doing one tomorrow and we're going to walk you through everything about how we did it. So stick around.
I'm Nancy.
And I'm James. And this is Homestyle Woodcraft. To get ready, we've been doing a lot of cutting and sanding
And staining. And painting. And papering.
It's a lot of work.
It's a lot of work.
Hey everybody, we are at the craft fair right now and I want to show you what we've got and how much we're charging for it. So our main thing is we've got these nativities that we cut out on a scroll saw. I've done a video about this. The big ones we're selling for 25 and these little ones we're selling for 10. All right, so we're also doing these block houses that Nancy has stained and papered, and we're selling each set for $25. Now then we did these sets of Christmas trees that have been painted and papered, and those are selling for $15 for 3, or a set of 3. Over here we've got these cool little trees. A friend of mine, Andy, made these, and he's selling them for 20 bucks. Of course, we're doing some snacks. Watch party snack recommendation today is fudge.
Christmas fudge.
And what are these called, Nancy?
Cranberry almond Christmas cakes.
Cranberry almond Christmas cakes. Awesome.
So good.
All right, and then we've made these mangers, and these are 25 each. And finally, we've got Christmas ornaments that have been stained and painted with a glitter paint. And we're selling these for $4 each or $10 a set. And we're also doing a bargain box of just leftover stuff from last time and just a mixture of everything. And that is $1 a piece. Okay.
And we're selling some hand-painted watercolor cards that have nothing to do with wood.
Right, and our neighbor.
For a friend.
It's my sister-in-law.
Leanne's Countryside Farm.
Yes.
And she does lots of freeze-dried stuff and flowers.
All right, everybody, that's what we're doing. We'll keep you posted. We are back from the craft fair, and we wanted to review how it went. And so we're going to go item by item and kind of tell you all about it. So Nancy, let's start with these ornaments we've got here. First of all, what did you like about these? Why did you think we should take these to the craft fair?
I thought that these ornaments turned out so cute. They have the light stain on it with some gold shimmery paint over the top. And on a Christmas tree, that the glitter shines off of the...
I say it pops on the Christmas tree.
It pops on the Christmas tree. And they're really cute. I like them.
Okay, so what about the people at the craft fair? What did they think?
We sold some of them. We didn't sell nearly as many as I thought we would.
We didn't even sell most of them.
Right.
Sort of not close to most of them.
No.
But we sold a few.
But we like them.
Yes, we like them. Would we do them again?
Yes, definitely.
All right, let's talk about the Christmas trees. Did you like how these turned out?
I love how these turned out. I used a lot of different paper on the fronts of these trees and tried to really mix it up, and I thought they turned out great.
And they're painted.
And they're painted.
You want
Yes.
to show them?
And they're Mod Podged on top of everything. So they were kind of a lot of work.
So they're painted on all over. Okay, so what kind of response at the craft fair did we get?
I think we sold maybe 3 of these tree sets. Only 3.
Not a lot.
Ay.
We cut out a lot of trees.
We did.
A lot of trees.
Yeah. Christmas presents for the family.
Would we do these again?
Yes, we will do them again. I really like them, so I think we'll do them again.
Okay.
Okay, now we have the cute holiday houses, block houses. I think they also turned out cute.
We really
like everything.
We really like our stuff, don't we?
Yeah, we do, don't we?
But they turned out really nice, and I love the stain on them. They're stained on front and back, and then Nancy papered them and then painted letters on them. This spells Merry.
And we had some dark stained houses, and there were other words, like we had peace on some of them and jolly, I think, on one of them.
Jolly. And I would love to say that the folks at the craft fair just went crazy over them, but
They didn't.
we didn't sell one set.
Not one. So sad.
So, do you think we'll ever do these again?
Yes. I like them. They're cute.
They're
I
cute.
think maybe what we would do is maybe not do as many of them.
Like maybe just one set?
Maybe.
Okay. Who's gonna start? You. Okay, so we also made some mangers. I think we made 5 of them. And they did not sell like hotcakes. We sold 1 of them.
Yeah.
We did sell it for $25, however, so that's not bad. So when you were at the booth, did you hear comments about these? Did people speak about them to you?
They were on the end of the table, and I don't think that they were noticed as much.
I really like these. I think they're nice, and they fit under a tree nice. But for some reason, they just didn't sell this time.
No.
Would we do them again? I think so.
Yes, we like them.
I think we may have a losing business strategy. For our last item, let's talk about the nativities. So we offered 3 styles of nativity. You see 2 of them here. This one has kind of a pine tree look. This one has the
Stable look.
stable look. And then we did little mini versions that were just tiny.
That sold out, which is why we don't have any.
Those sold out. We only made 4 of those. And they were priced cheaper. Those were priced at $10. But so we really like these. We like these a lot. And
I knew this would be a good seller. People like nativities, and I love nativities, so that means people like nativities, right?
right. So how did people respond?
Really, really well. We sold quite a number of nativities. It was definitely our best seller at the craft show.
Yeah. So these were a big hit. Would we do them again?
Definitely.
Absolutely. Yeah. These were.
Yeah.
We've done this craft show twice now, and both times these nativities were the best seller. Yeah. All right. I got the ledger book out, so we can tell you exactly all the money parts. So we can tell you all about expenses and revenue. First of all, our grand total was about $415 that we brought in. Now, we were selling some things for other people, and that accounted for $21 of the $415. But I'm gonna walk you through how much we made on each one. We brought in $165 on the nativities.
Right.
Now, we also sold fudge.
We did.
And that was a hit.
It was good fudge.
And we ate a lot of it. We brought in $29.50 on the fudge. On the tree sets, we brought in $35. And, we also had a bargain box just of like miscellaneous stuff that we had done and kind of brought in. And we sold all of that for $1 a piece in the box. And that brought in $20. We sold $20 worth of ornaments. And we sold $25 worth of mangers, which is exactly 1 manger.
1 manger.
Yeah. Now, our expenses roughly were around $100, and it cost us $25 to rent the booth. So in net, we figure we came home with about $265. Not a lot of money.
Not a lot of money. Certainly not worth the time and effort that it took to get there, except
We had a lot of fun.
we enjoyed it. And will we do it again?
Yeah,
Yeah,
we'll do it
we
again.
will.
So, here's what I liked about it is, one, in the prepper, it was a lot of work to get ready. But what I loved is working together on it and talking about it and planning and being excited about it all. That was fun. I enjoyed that part.
And we also really enjoy talking to people at the craft fairs when they're walking by the tables and, starting up conversations with them. We enjoy talking to people.
Yeah. And,
So we liked it.
And it was rewarding to sell the things that we did. It kind of affirming and still optimistic that we can take even the things that we didn't sell this time, that we could sell them next time.
Yeah.
So overall, good. We would do it again.
We would do it again. So what would we do differently next time?
Well, I'll tell you what I would do next time. What I'm going to do next time is start earlier. I think we started earlier this time than we did last time, but I spent a lot of cold evenings out in the garage, the workshop, And so I would start earlier
Yeah.
and get that done, so it wasn't such a crunch. That would be the big one for me.
Yeah, for sure. And I think what I would do differently is maybe next time we do this, still have some Christmas decorations, because decorations are fun. But I think it would be also good to sell things that, to have some different items that we could sell that people could buy for others for Christmas. Such as,
Maybe cutting boards,
yeah.
charcuterie boards. One of the things we talked a lot about is doing crates. I really like doing crates,
that's right,
and
yeah.
those can be really popular.
Something else we could do are cradles, like for baby dolls. You know, cradles. You could make some of those.
So that's our experience with doing a craft fair. It's our second one. We are planning on doing it again next year. So stay tuned and maybe we'll report back on that. Thanks for watching. We hope you subscribe to this channel and enjoy the other content we have.